Hi guys, welcome to Program with Sam, and today we're getting started with Java. So the first thing we're going to want to do is download the IDE. We're going to be using IntelliJ IDEA for this project. Now you're going to want to download the Community Edition for whichever operating system you're running, Windows, Mac or Linux. I'm going to download the Windows one, and once that's downloaded you can go ahead and install it. Next we're going to need a JDK. In order to do this we're going to be using the Oracle JDK. Now make sure you accept the license agreement and download the version appropriate for your operating system. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and install and you'll be ready to actually start creating something in Java. So we're now ready to create a project in IntelliJ. We're going to fire it up and click the Create Project button. We're going to make sure that the project SDK is set to the SDK we downloaded, and then we're going to hit Next. We'll do Next again, and now we get to pick our project name. I'm just going to call mine First Project. You can call yours whatever you want. So now we have the project set up, we can actually look at the project view, and in the source folder we can create a class, and let's call it main. Now we want to write the main function, just like with any programming language. And to do this, we write public static void main, and the arguments to this function are an array of strings. We'll call it string args array, with the curly braces to make sure that it's a function. The last thing we need to do is add a run configuration, and we can do this through the run configuration wizard in the top right corner. We select plus application, and then we can write the name. Again, we'll call it run. And the main class is main. If we apply and close the window, we now have the ability to make a bare bones Java application. And there you have it, we're all set up to get going with Java. Next time we'll be going over variable types and declarations, loops and conditional statements, the naming conventions used in Java, access modifiers, how to comment your Java code. If you could follow me at ProgramSamBlog on Twitter, or follow the blog at programwithsam.code.blog, that would be much appreciated. And I'll see you all in the next one.